sorry, there is something. No, I didn't complete this. Control C. Use okay, that's good. So we deleted this part. We don't need this. This is our table. Okay. The metadata D3. Okay, to do this, I'm going to calculate like this: sum ifs. I'm going to until the end. Range criteria is this one, okay, and the criteria is that is equal to this one. Close. Here we are. So we calculated, we did a sum in case, and here the same product as here. Okay, so I'm gonna do this now like this. I'm gonna select which is 488,193. If I'm going to select here from the top, select this part, you see the total is this. Amounts, okay, so in the here we had these amounts. Distribution of these products like this also. I'm gonna copy this one, sorry, okay, and I'm gonna shift this. Then here I'm going to calculate 01/01/2016. Okay, this is 01/02/2016. If I select this and I drag, okay, I basically increment on one step. If I select this together with this, I know that this is the difference between these two is a month. Then I will paste each time 1 month, so that I have March, April, etc. and the other. Right click, format cells, and again here's in German, but you can do it in English. Okay, here we are, January, February, etc. I'm gonna do this. Now we're going to do another thing, which is going to do the following. Now I'm going to use the sum product function with a criteria, first of all, which is that the month calculated for in this range is equal to the month of this date here. The second criteria is that this product, and then we're going to sum this quantity. Here we are, okay, $802, you know, for product 1 in January. the filter. Okay, I'm gonna select here January. Okay, we get this value. If I'm selecting this one, you see here the sum at the bottom, 2, so it is at 2. Now we are going to copy this formula also in the rest of the months for the other products, but I have to fix first of all here is G, then I have to fix the row, which is the row number 1. So this has to be absolute, but the column will vary. For the product, I'm going to fix the product, so the column, and I'm going to vary the row where I find other products. Okay, so I'm gonna now Control C, and I'm going to copy this here, Control V. Okay, if I'm going to select all, the sum is this, which is also this one. Because we're going to get table. I'm gonna filter out. Okay, we have this.